Hey guys, welcome back to Top Shelf Toys from Nickelodeon's Paw Patrol. This is the Zuma Action Pack Pup and Badge. Take a look at Zuma. He's got his awesome action pack on, and those pop out, and you can actually push him back in to reset. It also comes with a snap-on badge that you can wear, so you can pretend like you're Zuma from the Paw Patrol. You'll see there's the features on the back of what he can do, and then of course all of the other action pups in this series that you can get. These are just so much fun. I love these again from Paw Patrol. That's the Zuma Action Pack Pup and Badge.